Apple cider vinegar is often praised as a natural remedy for diabetes, but does it actually work? Can something as simple as vinegar really help lower blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity? The science behind it might surprise you. Stick around, because in this video, we'll break down exactly how apple cider vinegar affects blood sugar and reveal the best way to take it for maximum benefits. If you've ever wondered whether this kitchen staple can truly help manage diabetes, you won't want to miss this. Why this matters? Managing blood sugar isn't just about medication. Natural remedies can also make a difference. One of the most talked about solutions is apple cider vinegar. But is it really effective? Research suggests that apple cider vinegar can help with blood sugar control, insulin sensitivity, and even weight management. But how does it work? And what's the best way to use it? Today, we're diving into 6 powerful benefits of apple cider vinegar for diabetes and how to incorporate it into your routine safely and effectively. Let's get started. Number 1. Lowers blood sugar levels after meals. One of the biggest challenges for people with diabetes is controlling blood sugar spikes after meals. When you eat carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose, which enters the bloodstream. This triggers an insulin response to help move that glucose into cells for energy. However, for diabetics, or those with insulin resistance, this process doesn't work as efficiently, leading to high blood sugar levels. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to slow the digestion of carbohydrates, which means glucose is released into the bloodstream more gradually. This results in a smaller blood sugar spike after eating, making it easier for the body to manage glucose levels. Scientific studies back this up. Research suggests that taking apple cider vinegar before a high-carb meal can lower post-meal blood sugar levels by up to 34%. This is because acetic acid, the main active compound in vinegar, interferes with the breakdown of starches, reducing the amount of glucose that enters the bloodstream. Another way apple cider vinegar helps is by improving insulin sensitivity. Insulin is the hormone responsible for transporting glucose into cells, but in people with insulin resistance, the body doesn't respond as well to insulin signals. Some studies indicate that vinegar can increase insulin sensitivity by 19 to 34% after a meal, making it easier for cells to absorb glucose and prevent dangerous spikes. The best way to use apple cider vinegar for this benefit is to take it before meals. A common recommendation is to mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it about 20 to 30 minutes before eating. This allows the vinegar to slow digestion and reduce the glycemic impact of your meal. However, it's important to use apple cider vinegar safely. Drinking it undiluted can damage tooth enamel and irritate the throat, so always mix it with water. If you have any existing digestive issues, start with a smaller amount and see how your body responds. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet can be a simple yet effective strategy for managing blood sugar levels naturally. But this is just one of its many benefits. Number 2. Improves insulin sensitivity. Insulin sensitivity plays a crucial role in how efficiently your body processes blood sugar. When insulin sensitivity is low, the body struggles to use insulin properly, leading to higher blood sugar levels and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity, making it easier for cells to absorb glucose and regulate blood sugar more effectively. Research suggests that consuming apple cider vinegar before a meal can increase insulin sensitivity by up to 34% after eating high-carbohydrate foods. This means that the body requires less insulin to manage blood sugar levels, which can help reduce stress on the pancreas and lower the risk of insulin resistance over time. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar is believed to be the key factor behind this effect. It helps slow down the breakdown of carbohydrates, allowing glucose to enter the bloodstream at a steadier pace. As a result, insulin can do its job more efficiently without causing major blood sugar fluctuations. For those with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, improving insulin sensitivity is one of the most important steps to managing blood sugar naturally. By incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine, you may see improved glucose control and a reduced risk of long-term complications. To get the best results, try consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, diluted in a glass of water before meals. This simple habit can have a significant impact on your body, his ability to regulate insulin and process blood sugar more effectively. However, as with any natural remedy, it's essential to monitor your body's response. If you're on diabetes medication, consult your doctor before adding apple cider vinegar to your routine, as it may enhance the effects of insulin and lower blood sugar too much. Improving insulin sensitivity is just one of the many benefits of apple cider vinegar. Up next, we'll dive into how it can aid in weight management which is another key factor in diabetes control. 3. Supports weight loss and belly fat reduction. Healthy weight is one of the most effective ways to manage diabetes and improve insulin sensitivity. Excess weight, particularly belly fat, is closely linked to insulin resistance, making it harder for the body to regulate blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar can play a helpful role in weight management, making it easier for diabetics to achieve better glucose control. One of the key benefits of apple cider vinegar is its ability to curb appetite. Research suggests that consuming ACV before meals can increase feelings of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake throughout the day. In a study, participants who took apple cider vinegar consumed 200 to 275 fewer calories than those who didn't, which can contribute to long-term weight loss. Beyond appetite suppression, apple cider vinegar may promote fat burning, particularly in the abdominal area, where excess fat is most harmful to metabolic health. Visceral fat, deep fats around in organs, has been strongly linked to diabetes and other metabolic disorders. Studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can help reduce belly fat over time, especially when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar is believed to activate fat-burning genes, boost metabolism, and reduce fat storage. Some research even indicates that daily ACV consumption may lead to modest weight loss over several months, making it a valuable addition to a diabetes-friendly lifestyle. To incorporate apple cider vinegar for weight management, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons in a glass of water and drink it before meals. This may help reduce hunger, stabilize blood sugar levels, and support fat loss over time. However, it's important to remember that apple cider vinegar is not a magic weight loss solution. It works best as part of a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and a healthy lifestyle. Consistency is key. Making small, sustainable changes will have the greatest impact on your weight and blood sugar control. Coming up next, we'll discuss how apple cider vinegar enhances gut health, another essential factor in diabetes management. 4. Reduces fasting blood sugar levels for people with diabetes or keeping blood sugar levels stable overnight is just as important as managing them throughout the day. Many individuals experience the dawn phenomenon, where blood sugar levels rise in the early morning hours due to the liver releasing glucose. This can make fasting blood sugar levels higher than normal, leading to difficulty in maintaining overall glucose control. Research suggests that taking apple cider vinegar before bed may help lower fasting blood sugar levels by reducing the liver's glucose production overnight. A study found that individuals with type 2 diabetes who consumed tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before sleeping experienced significantly lower fasting blood sugar the next morning compared to those who didn't. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar plays a key role in this process. It helps slow down the conversion of carbohydrates into glucose, reducing the risk of overnight blood sugar spikes. Additionally, it enhances insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body to regulate blood sugar levels while at rest. For those who struggle with high morning blood sugar levels, incorporating apple cider vinegar into their nightly routine may be a natural way to support better glucose control. The best way to take it is to mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it 30 minutes before bed. This gives the body time to absorb the acetic acid, which can help moderate glucose production overnight. However, it's important to monitor how your body responds. Some people may find that taking a CV on an empty stomach can cause mild digestive discomfort, so starting with a smaller dose and gradually increasing it is recommended. If you take diabetes medications, consult your doctor before adding apple cider vinegar to your routine, as it may enhance the effects of certain medications and lead to low blood sugar levels. Up next, we'll explore how apple cider vinegar supports gut health, a crucial factor in diabetes management and overall weight. 5. Aids digestion and gut health. A healthy gut is crucial for overall health. But did you know it also plays a key role in blood sugar control? Research shows that the balance of gut bacteria affects insulin sensitivity, inflammation, and how the body processes glucose. This is where apple cider vinegar can be a powerful ally. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has natural antimicrobial properties that help promote a balanced gut microbiome. It supports the growth of beneficial bacteria, while reducing harmful bacteria that can contribute to inflammation and poor digestion. By improving gut health, ACV may help the body regulate blood sugar more effectively. Another benefit of ACV is its ability to stimulate digestion. Many people with diabetes experience slow digestion, which can lead to bloating, discomfort, and irregular blood sugar spikes. Apple cider vinegar boosts stomach acid production. helping break down food more efficiently and allowing for better nutrient absorption. This can prevent undigested food from fermenting in the gut, reducing bloating and improving overall digestion. Additionally, ACV acts as a natural prebiotic, meaning it helps feed and support good gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome has been linked to lower inflammation levels and better insulin function, making it an important factor in diabetes management. To use ACV for better digestion and gut health, try mixing 1 to 2 tablespoons with a glass of warm water and drinking it before meals. This can help stimulate digestion, promote gut-friendly bacteria, and support stable blood sugar levels after eating. However, be mindful of acidic drinking. Undiluted apple cider vinegar can erode tooth enamel and irritate the digestive tract. Always dilute it with water, and consider using a straw to protect your teeth. Up next, we'll discuss how ACV can lower cholesterol and support heart health, which is especially important for people with diabetes. 6. Helps lower cholesterol and heart disease. Risk people with diabetes are at a significantly higher risk of heart disease, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure. That's why managing cholesterol levels is just as important as controlling blood sugar. The good news: apple cider vinegar may help support heart health naturally. Studies have shown that ACV can lower LDL and triglycerides, both of which contribute to plaque buildup in the arteries. High levels of LDL cholesterol can lead to atherosclerosis, a condition where arteries become narrowed and hardened, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. By helping to lower LDL, ACV can support better cardiovascular health. But that's not all apple. Cider vinegar has also been shown to increase HDL, which helps remove excess cholesterol from the bloodstream. This balance between lowering bad cholesterol and increasing good cholesterol is essential for protecting heart health. In addition to cholesterol benefits, ACV may help lower blood pressure. Some research suggests that the acetic acid in ACV helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation, which can contribute to healthier blood pressure levels. Since high blood pressure and diabetes often go hand in hand, this is another way ACV may benefit those managing diabetes. To use ACV for heart health, try adding 1 to 2 tablespoons to a glass of water and drinking it before meals. You can also incorporate it into salad dressings or homemade vinaigrettes for a heart-healthy addition to your meals. While apple cider vinegar isn't a replacement for medication or a healthy diet, it can be a helpful natural tool for supporting overall heart health and reducing cholesterol levels. Now that we've covered ACV's top benefits, let's talk about the best way to take it for maximum blood sugar control. Best way to take apple cider vinegar for diabetes. The best way to consume apple cider vinegar is by diluting it in water. Drinking it straight is a bad idea because it's highly acidic and can damage tooth enamel, irritate the throat, and upset your stomach. Instead, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with a large glass of water before drinking. For the best results, taking ACV before meals can help slow down carb digestion and reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes. Drinking it before bed may also help lower fasting blood sugar levels in the morning, especially for those who experience the dawn phenomenon, which causes blood sugar to spike upon waking. If the taste is too strong, you can add a splash of lemon juice, a pinch of cinnamon, or a few drops of stevia to improve the flavor. Another way to incorporate ACV into your routine is by using it in salad dressings, marinades, or even mixing it with herbal tea. Consistency is key. Taking ACV daily over time can lead to noticeable blood sugar benefits. However, if you're on diabetes medication, blood pressure medication, or have digestive issues, it's best to consult your doctor before making ACV a regular habit. Now that you know how to take ACV safely and effectively, let's wrap up with a quick recap of everything we covered today. Conclusion: apple cider vinegar offers some incredible benefits for blood sugar control, from improving insulin sensitivity to reducing fasting glucose levels. However, using it the right way is essential to maximize its effects while avoiding potential side effects. Whether you take it before meals or before bed, consistency is key. Which of these benefits surprised you the most? Have you tried apple cider vinegar for blood sugar management? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.